Hi, and welcome to this video from how to navigate projects in your file manager. And in this case, I'm using OnCommander Pro that you can download at oncommander.com for Windows, macOS, and Linux, which is an advanced file manager that can help you to navigate projects without to have to open your IDE, for example. And for this, there's a part of the tutorial that we'll go through the exercise to see it. So the tutorial generates some files and it has generated some projects. So let's go directly to the project. And here I will just do the quick view or F3. And now inside the Hello.java. So notice that it's also include the syntax and light. What you can do is select the word class, for example, here in the main method. Click on the file finds in projects. So here, that's this button, and you'll see it's gonna scan for the project structure to find another file that starts with the word world. And then you can navigate by selecting this one, and now you see I have changed location to another directory and to this one. You can go back if you want. What you can also do is Ctrl Shift O, and now you see the it's showing, instead of showing in the next to the page, just showing above the word world, and I can also same thing click here. So that's it for this demo of navigating inside the project. So thank you for watching. If you have questions, put them in the comment. Otherwise, if you can also put a thumb up and share this video. And see you on the next video. Bye.